Be honest, do you feel like saving money is only for people that earn big salary? Do you tell yourself, if I start earning more, then I will save? What if I tell you that people with small income can save more than people with big income, if they do it the right way? Today, I'll show you realistic ways to save money even if your income is small, without suffering or starving yourself. If you want financial peace, freedom, and less stress, subscribe, like this video, and let's get into it. Section 1. Why most people with small income don't save. Most people don't fail to save because they earn small. They fail because they don't manage what enters their hand. Common mindset mistakes. My money is too small to save. I'll start saving when my income increases. Saving will make me suffer. The truth is, saving is a habit, not an amount. Section 2. Pay yourself first. The biggest secret of saving money is this. Save before you spend, not after. Even if it's $500, $1,000, $2,000. Once money enters your hand, remove your savings immediately. Practical example. If you earn $30,000 monthly, save just $1,000 weekly. That's $4,000 a month, $48,000 in 1 year, without stress. Section 3. Use the 3-bucket method. Divide your money into 3 buckets. 1. Needs, food, transport, rent, school fees. 2. Savings, emergency money, future plans. 3. Wants, data upgrades, eating out, new clothes. When your income is small, control your wants, not your needs. Quote. Section 4. Kill small daily expenses. Small money leaks destroy savings faster than big expenses. Examples. Daily snacks, unnecessary subscriptions, excess data usage, buying things because of peer pressure. 500 nairas daily is 15,000 nairas in 1 month. Ask yourself before spending, do I really need this now? Section 5. Use a separate savings account. Never save money where you can easily touch it. Use a separate bank account, savings apps, cooperative or AHO thrift. The harder it is to access, the safer your savings. Section 6. Save with a purpose. Saving without a goal is hard. Saving with a purpose is powerful. Examples. Emergency fund, school fees, business capital, phone replacement, rent. When your savings has a name, you'll respect it. Section 7. Increase skill, not just sacrifice. Yes, saving is important, but you must also increase your earning power. Learn digital skills, side hustle, online services, small business. Saving protects you. Increasing income grows you. You don't need to earn big to save. You need discipline, consistency, and patience. Start small. Be consistent. Your future self will thank you. If this video helped you, like, comment. I will start saving today. Subscribe for more finance and life-changing tips. See you in the next video. Be honest, do you feel like saving money is only for people that earn big salary? Do you tell yourself